Assalamualaikum and greetings to Mem Nurul Ikhlas. My name is Muhammad Ilman bin Muhammad Idlan, matrix number AS11114, and this is a video presentation on your latest SCL6 assignment. So I'll move on straight to the presentation. So social media. What is social media actually? Social media is a platform for people and users to use to connect to people of all over the world with just by the click of a button or a tap on their smartphone screen. So what it does is you can send messages, you can send them moments or share pictures through online services that connects you with people from all over the world. And if they can do that just by the click of a button, it means they can share their private information or their public information with anyone around them. So social media is actually a kind of platform that can be used to share information all around the world. As we are in the pandemic of the COVID-19 nowadays, we are reliant on the health information that is given by the government and experts worldwide. So how important this social media is in health, in portraying and sending health information effectively, can be categorized in a few ways. So in my opinion, health information, health communication via social media is effective because using social media is a daily activity done by youths and all kinds of people. And social media is also, the info on social media is shared instantly. And lastly, the social media is a responsive platform. So the first reason I'm going to talk about how health communication is effective via social media is because social media is a daily activity by youth. Now what do I mean by that? In a recent research, it said that social media is used about 4 to 5 hours on a daily basis by teenagers, and that means that they spend a lot of their time on their smartphones, on their social media, browsing on other people's pages, something like that. And when they browse, they remember what they see. So if information such as prevention measures or health advices are shared on the internet, they can see while they are browsing the social media itself, and this will make the youth and teenagers more aware of the warnings and advice by the health experts. So what this causes is it causes a chain of information passing on from one to another. So first the teenager gets the information when they read it on social media, and then they explain it to their family or their friends, and by doing that, they can share awareness, they can spread awareness and share information on their knowledge that they've received from the internet. So the second reason that health communication is effective via social media is the info is shared instantly. So what do I mean by that? It means that whenever you press a button that sends the information, people get it in around seconds or minutes. It doesn't even have to take long. As long as you have an internet connection, then it will get there as fast as it can. So like I said, social media uses the internet, and the time taken to send a message or information will be very fast. So this is vital for countries that need to send warnings or advices throughout the citizens of their country. And there are various platforms for info to be spread on. You can do it on the internet, or you can do it on the social media itself. For example, on the internet there is a website that is called Mayo Clinic, and it's a whole website dedicated on health advices by experts, clarified experts. So people who have like allergies or symptoms, they can check it out online whether what they're having is fatal or just a minor injury or minor allergy. So what this does is you get the information fast and you can respond to it quickly, so you are saving yourself from major catastrophe, I guess. and this causes a chain of information that is very fastly spread throughout the whole world. So the third reason that health communication is effective via social media is because it serves as a responsive platform. Now, to explain this, I have to give a situation between two people. So imagine you're a person teaching another student. If you teach them and they can't respond, you can't know whether they understand or not. So it's important for them to respond to your information. So what social media does, it causes a responsive platform. So I'll give an example, like the health ministry, when they get rules and regulations of the COVID-19 pandemic that was happening lately. They shared it in a document which enlisted all the cases and all the probability of you having the symptoms and having the virus itself. So when viewers see it, they get a sense of panic and they are a little bit confused whether they have it or not. So what social media does, it gives the users or the netizens power to respond and ask questions to the health ministry. So what this does is it creates a two-way conversation that can make both sides understand the information more clearly. And sometimes the information given is a bit vague or a bit shady, I guess. And when the information is shady, the users are not 100% reliant on the information, so they need to ask where they get the sources. So when they ask how they get the sources, the users that clarify the info could maybe show certifications or confirmations from the government or the experts itself, so it makes the users a bit safe and trustable about the info given. So lastly, in conclusion, social media would be effective for health communication because playing social media is a daily activity for youth, and the info shared is instantly received, and it also serves as a responsive platform. So as users of well-developed technological advancements that we have today, we have to be creative and innovative in the use of the creations that were made by the social media users in a good way. So in that way, we can use these technological investments as a boost in our education of all the people on the beloved country, and we could also make them more aware of the health complications that are commonly found in the world today. So that is all for me. Thank you.